In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Go High Level. Before we get started, open up your preferred web browser and type in Go High Level. This will take you to the home page where you can log into your account. It's essential to be logged in, as this process will only work if you have the appropriate permissions. So, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you need to find the Settings section. This is typically represented by a gear icon or might be accessible through a settings menu, depending on the interface version you're using. Take a minute to locate this, and once you've found the settings, go ahead and click on it. Inside the settings menu, you'll see various options, but what you're interested in is the Tags section, so look for it and click on Tags. Now, you'll see a list of all the tags that currently exist within your Go High Level account. This list is usually organized to help you easily browse through, but if you have a lot of tags and are looking for a specific one, don't worry. There is often a search function integrated into this list to help you quickly find the tag you wish to delete. Take a moment to find the tag you no longer need. Once you've located the tag you want to remove, look to the right of the tag's name. Here, you should see a delete button, which is commonly depicted as a trash can icon. Clicking this button will initiate the deletion process. However, before the tag is permanently deleted, you need to confirm your decision. After clicking the trash can icon, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This is an important step because it ensures that you really want to delete the tag. The pop-up is there to prevent any accidental deletions, which could potentially disrupt your workflow. Read the confirmation message carefully, and when you're sure that you want to proceed, click the delete button within the pop-up. And that's it. The tag will now be permanently removed from your Go High Level account. Deleting unnecessary tags can help keep your account organized and easier to manage, making your experience with Go High Level more efficient and streamlined. Remember that once you've deleted a tag, this action cannot be undone, so be absolutely certain before you hit that final delete button. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on Go High Level.